Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can find and manage vibration settings on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. So in order to do that, first we need to open the settings. In the settings, go to sounds and vibration, and finally over here, if we scroll down, here we have the section related to vibrations. So we have call vibration, where we can set it to short, medium, basic call, heartbeat, tick-tock, waltz, zig zig zig, and of course we can set it to silent, and similar with notifications. In addition to that, we can also go to system vibration, where we can adjust the system vibration intensity by moving the slider to the left or to the right. And we can also enable and disable feedback for specific situations like dialing keypad or touch interactions of Samsung keyboard and so on and so forth. If we go back, we can also go to vibration intensity, where we have pretty much just the intensity setting like before in the previous option. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!